is a plant, and plants use photosynthesis in order to make light from the sun to chemical energy, which they also use carbon dioxide, water, and energy in order to produce glucose, their energy that they will need. And let's say that this plant is sunlight. When the sunlight goes to where it hits the plant, the grape this time, it will reflect yellow and green, which gives the color green to the plant. The rest of the colors that are absorbed go to the cytoplasm, where the photosynthesis occurs. And photosynthesis, there are two main parts: light dependent and the Calvin cycle. In the light dependent, it occurs in the thylakoid, which is a little part in the cytoplasm. In the thylakoid, it would use photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. When the sunlight hits the thylakoid, the plant, the cytoplasm, and eventually the photosystem number 2, it will use the electrons from water to here, and it will convert the water into oxygen. And all the material they use from the water and plus the sunlight from the sun, it will create the electron to go super fast, too fast. And it will use a complex that will move the electrons from photosystem number 2 to 1. When it moves, the electrons go slow and stop until photosystem 1 or the sunlight hits 2, so this one are super fast again, which it would use to create NADPH, which it would use for the Calvin cycle later. Also, in the photosystem 1, it would use the hydrogen from the water in order to create a ATP, which it would use ADP and plus the H will create ATPH, which we use again ADP. Once the light-dependent cycle is finished, it will move to the stroma, where the carbon cycle happens. And this is where the carbon dioxide will be used. Let's say that this piece of water is the carbon dioxide, and in the Calvin cycle it would use ribulose as phosphate, which it will merge together, and these two, the carbon dioxide, will be oxidized, and it will create a new 3-phosphate. And with the ATP created from the photosystem 1 and 2 and the light dependent, it will make the 3-phosphate oxidize, make the ATP to ADP, and with the cycle over again. In the process, it will create glucose, which it will use for the plant to use the energy, and that is the photosynthesis.